Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel.
We are very happy to see you here.
Today we will practice a very useful topic.
Yes, today we will learn how to talk about your weekend in English.
By the way, I am Imli.
And I am Alex.
In this video, you will learn simple sentences to talk about your weekend.
These sentences are useful in daily conversation.
So stay with us and practice your English.
Today we are sitting in a small cafe.
Yes, it is Monday morning.
People often talk about their weekend on Monday.
Friends ask each other a simple question.
The question is very common.
How was your weekend?
So today we will practice a conversation about the weekend.
Listen carefully and try to repeat the sentences. Hi, Alex. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. How about you?
I am doing great. So, tell me something.
Sure.
How was your weekend?
My weekend was very relaxing.
That sounds nice. What did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday morning, I woke up late.
That is always nice on the weekend.
Yes, I did not set an alarm.
What did you do after waking up?
I made a cup of coffee. Then I watched a movie.
That sounds like a peaceful morning.
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
Did you go outside later?
Yes, in the afternoon, I met my friends.
Where did you meet them?
We met at a park.
That sounds fun. What did you do there?
We walked around the park. We also talked about many things.
Friends always have many stories.
That is true.
Did you eat something together?
Yes, we went to a small restaurant. We had burgers and cold drinks.
That sounds delicious.
It was very tasty.
So that was your Saturday.
Yes,
What about Sunday?
Sunday was more productive.
Really?
Yes, I cleaned my apartment.
That is a good habit.
Then I did some grocery shopping.
Did you cook something?
Yes, I cooked pasta for dinner.
That sounds amazing.
It was simple, but good.
Did you watch anything at night?
Yes, I watched a travel vlog.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, it was about mountains.
I love mountain videos.
They are very relaxing. Now tell me about your weekend.
My weekend was also nice.
What did you do?
On Saturday, I visited my cousin.
Where does your cousin live?
She lives near the city center.
What did you do there?
We talked for a long time. Then we went shopping.
Did you buy something?
Yes, I bought a new notebook.
Why a notebook?
I like to write my ideas.
That is a great habit.
On Sunday, I stayed at home.
Did you relax?
Yes, I read a book. I also listened to music.
That sounds like a peaceful day.
Yes, I needed some rest.
Weekends are perfect for rest.
Now, let us explain some important sentences. Sentence 1. How was your weekend? This question means, what did you do during the weekend? You can ask this question on Monday. Example, how was your weekend? Sentence 2. What did you do on Saturday? This question asks about activities. Example, what did you do on Saturday? Sentence 3. My weekend was relaxing. This means the weekend was calm and peaceful. Example, my weekend was relaxing. Sentence 4. I met my friends. This sentence means you spent time with friends. Example, I met my friends at the park. Sentence 5. I stayed at home. This means you did not go outside. Example, I stayed at home and watched movies.
Now, listen carefully. Sentence. How was your weekend? Repeat slowly. How was your weekend? Now repeat again. How was your weekend? Sentence. What did you do on Saturday? Repeat after me. What did you do on Saturday? Very good. Sentence. My weekend was relaxing. Repeat. My weekend was relaxing.
Now, let us do a listening test. Listen carefully. Sentence. I met my friends at the park. Can you repeat it? Next sentence. Sentence. I stayed at home on Sunday. Repeat it. Next sentence. Sentence. I watched a movie on Saturday night. Repeat again. Hi, Alex. How was your weekend?
It was very relaxing.
What did you do on Saturday?
I met my friends in the park.
That sounds fun.
What about your weekend?
I visited my cousin and did some shopping.
Talking about your weekend is very common in English,
Practice these sentences every day.
and your English will improve step by step.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please support our channel.
Subscribe for more English conversation practice.
By the way, do you usually plan your weekend?
Sometimes I do, but many times I just relax.
I understand that. Weekends should not feel like work.
Exactly. Sometimes doing nothing is also nice.
That is true. Did you wake up early on Sunday?
No, I woke up quite late.
That must have felt good.
Yes, it did. I slept almost 9 hours.
Wow, that is great. Good sleep is important.
Yes, it makes you feel fresh.
Did you have breakfast at home?
Yes, I prepared a simple breakfast.
What did you make?
I made toast and eggs.
That sounds tasty.
It was very simple.
Simple food is sometimes the best.
I agree with you.
Did you watch any movies this weekend?
Yes, I watched a comedy movie.
Did you like it?
Yes, it was very funny.
Comedy movies are great for relaxing.
They really make you laugh.
Did you go outside on Sunday?
Yes, I took a short walk in the evening.
Where did you go?
I walked near the lake.
That sounds beautiful.
The weather was perfect.
Sunny or cloudy?
It was slightly cloudy.
That is my favorite weather.
Mine too.
Did you take any photos?
Yes, I took a few pictures of the lake.
I love taking photos on weekends.
It is a good hobby.
Photos help us remember moments.
That is true.
Many people travel on weekends.
Yes, short trips are very popular.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places.
Where would you like to go next?
I would love to visit the mountains.
Mountains are peaceful.
Yes, they are calm and quiet.
I prefer beaches.
Beaches are also relaxing.
Maybe we should plan a trip someday.
That would be exciting.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually spend time with family.
Family time is important.
Yes, it makes me happy.
Do you ever study on weekends?
Sometimes I review my notes.
That is a good habit.
But I try to keep weekends light.
Balance is important.
Exactly.
Weekends are also good for learning new things.
Yes, like learning English.
You can watch English videos.
Or listen to English podcasts.
You can also read simple books.
Or practice speaking with friends.
Small practice helps a lot.
Consistency is the key. Let me ask you another question.
Sure.
Do you like busy weekends or quiet weekends?
I prefer quiet weekends
Why?
because my weekdays are very busy.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I enjoy a mix of both.
That sounds perfect. Let us learn some useful words.
Yes, these are common words.
Relax, travel, meet friends, watch movies, take a walk.
These are common weekend activities.
Try to use them in sentences.
So, Alex, did you enjoy your weekend?
Yes, it was simple but enjoyable.
That is the best kind of weekend.
I agree.
Next weekend, I want to try something new.
Like what?
Maybe hiking.
That sounds adventurous.
Yes, I want to explore nature.
Nature is always refreshing.
Talking about your weekend is very common in English.
People ask this question everywhere.
At school,
At work?
even when meeting friends.
So practice these sentences often.
And soon you'll speak naturally.
By the way, do you like weekends more than weekdays?
Yes, I do. Weekends give me time to relax.
I feel the same. Weekdays are usually very busy
Exactly. There is always work to finish.
and many responsibilities.
But weekends feel lighter.
They give us a break. Do you like meeting new people on weekends?
Sometimes it depends on my mood.
That is understandable. Some weekends are social.
And some weekends are quiet.
Both are important.
Tell me something.
Sure.
Do you ever try new food on weekends?
Yes, I enjoy trying different dishes.
That sounds interesting.
Last weekend, I tried a new cafe.
How was the food there?
The pasta was excellent.
I love pasta too.
Then you should visit that cafe.
Do you cook during the weekend?
Yes, sometimes I cook dinner.
Cooking can be relaxing.
Yes, it feels creative.
What is your favorite dish to cook?
I enjoy making simple pasta.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I like making homemade sandwiches.
That is a great choice. Do you ever watch sports on weekends?
Sometimes I watch football matches.
Many people love weekend games.
Yes, stadiums become very lively.
Sports bring excitement.
They also bring people together.
Another popular weekend activity is shopping.
Yes, shopping malls become crowded.
People buy clothes and gifts.
Some people just enjoy walking around.
Window shopping can also be fun.
Yes, it is relaxing. Do you read books on weekends?
Yes, I enjoy reading novels.
What kind of novels do you like?
I like adventure stories.
Those stories are exciting.
They keep the mind active. Do you ever watch documentaries?
Yes, sometimes I watch nature documentaries.
Nature programs are fascinating.
They show beautiful places.
They also teach new things.
What do you usually do on Sunday evening?
I prepare for the coming week.
That is very organized.
I check my schedule.
Planning helps reduce stress.
Yes, it makes Monday easier. Do you like Sunday evenings?
Yes, they feel calm.
The weekend slowly comes to an end.
But the memories remain.
Good weekends create good memories.
People often ask about weekends in English.
Yes, it is a common small talk topic.
Small talk helps start conversations.
It also builds friendly connections.
You can ask simple questions.
Like this one, what did you do this weekend?
Or this one, did you enjoy your weekend?
Let us practice again.
Good idea. How was your weekend?
It was relaxing and enjoyable.
Did you go anywhere special?
Yes, I visited a small park.
That sounds peaceful.
It was a perfect afternoon.
Every weekend is different.
Some are adventurous,
Some are quiet.
but all weekends give us rest
They help us recharge.
and prepare for the next week.
Talking about your weekend is easy.
You only need simple sentences
Practice with your friends.
or practice with yourself.
The more you speak, the better you become.
Confidence grows with practice. Talking about your weekend is very common in English.
Yes, these simple sentences can help you speak more confidently.
Practice them every day.
And soon, you will speak English naturally.
If you enjoyed this lesson, support our channel.
Subscribe to our channel for more real-life English conversations.
In our next video, we will practice a new situation.
You will learn how to talk about your daily routine in English.
So don't miss the next lesson.
See you in the next video. Keep practicing English.